In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold on the Razor 9mm here in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and equip this weapon and go into your gunsmith. And specifically go over to this customize tab at the top, select camo, and go into the multiplayer tab down at the bottom. And you're going to see all the challenges that you have to do in order to unlock all these pretty sick camos here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Now the first 9 camos right here, being these military camos, are going to be your headshot challenges, and these are probably going to be what takes you the longest out of all of these other challenges, because these last 4 are actually pretty easy to go ahead and do. What you're going to want to do though is essentially play objective based game modes like hardpoint or domination, camp outside either the hardpoint or specifically the B zone for domination, and just knock out these headshots. Now, in terms of specific attachments, just have a scope on. This gun does have a little bit of kick to it, but as long as you have some sort of scope attachment, you'll be good to go. It's probably going to take you around at most 10-ish games to knock these out. And that's if you're playing, kind of subpar. You are just going to have to get a little bit lucky with your map rotation, because with this being an SMG, smaller maps do help this shine. And that's going to go for the rest of these challenges as well. Moving on to the next challenge, we got Diamondback. This is 30 hip fire kills. This one is actually unbelievably easy to do. Something like Hijacked is super easy to knock this out for. And even, once again, those objective-based game modes. Hardpoint shines for this. Just one in the hardpoint, get some hipfire kills. You should be able to knock this out in one game. For the Raptor challenge, you got to get 30 objective kills. Once again, play those objective-based game modes. Play in the objective for this one, so hardpoint, stay in it. Domination zone, stay in like B or something or around that area, and you'll be able to knock this out in one game. For mainframe though, you have to get 50 kills while moving. Once again, small maps like Hijacked or Nuketown, when that comes out, is going to be where this one shines. You should be able to knock this out in 2 games max. This one is super duper duper easy. Just play objective based game modes. That's like the #1 tip for all the camos in this game, apart from like launchers and whatnot. And finally, for Shattered Gold, this is the same for every single weapon, but essentially get 3 kills without dying 10 times here with the Razor 9mm. You're going to want to do the same strategy that you used to get these headshots, camp outside that objective, and play safe. Scooch away if you're taking too much damage, recoup a little bit, use tacticals to help you out, just shoot into the objective, and you'll knock this out pretty quickly in about 2 games max. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.